Hi everyone, I'm Sio from One Stop Solution. In this video, I will show you how to change username on TikTok. A unique username helps you stand out and makes it easier for people to find you. So let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your device. Tap on the profile option from the bottom right corner of your screen. Here you can see the edit profile option. Tap on it. Next, tap on the username option. Clear your current username and enter the new username you want to use. Tap on the Save button in the top right corner. Finally, tap on the Confirm button to apply the changes. And this is how you can change username on TikTok. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.